The bastion node communicates with the GKE cluster and is used to deploy and troubleshoot the suite. Click Compute Engine, VM Instances, and Create Instance. Create a VM with the following settings. Now, let's get the bastion node ready for the suite installation. Log in to the bastion node using SSH. Run the following commands to configure the bastion node. You will need to replace the project ID, cluster name, and region. Next, subscribe and configure GCP Filestore, which is the recommended storage service to store data of CDF and SMAX on GCP. Click Filestore and then Create Instance. The file share name is required in commands when you need to access NFS data. Once Filestore instance is ready, log in to the bastion and set up NFS volumes to store the data of the suite. Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL is recommended as database engine on GCP. Click SQL and then Create Instance. Choose PostgreSQL and populate the following fields. Set a password for the default user. You will need it during the suite installation. Next, let's start the Bootstrap installation. Click IAM and Admin, and then Service Accounts. Select the default service account of Compute Engine. Then, click Actions, Create Key, and JSON. A private key is saved to a computer. Follow the steps on these two pages to download the required metadata and installation packages, and download and upload the required images. Run the following commands to start Bootstrap installation. For more information about SMAX installation, visit the SMAX Help Center.